ChatGPT is a conversational AI service that understands the meaning and purpose of a written question and generates an appropriate response, or the conversational language model that is its basis. It was released in November 2022 by OpenAI, a private organization that studies artificial intelligence. Some sites are free for the general public, and anyone is free to ask questions. ChatGPT is trained to give responses that people find more favorable based on the GPT 3.5 series, which is a large-scale language model using deep learning algorithms, in which words spoken or written by humans are modeled on the probability of the occurrence of words. The GPT 3.5 series is the latest large-scale language model, following GPT, GPT-2, and GPT-3, developed by OpenAI. In July 2020, OpenAI introduced GPT-3, a high-performance language model that learns with incommensurable amounts of text data, and thus requires no retraining. While GPT-3 made headlines for its ability to generate plausible sentences that hardly seem to be generated by AI, a problem was pointed out that GPT-3 sometimes generates meaningless, inaccurate, or immoral sentences. This problem of AI behaving in ways that are inconsistent with human purposes and intentions is called the alignment problem in AI. To solve this problem, in January 2022, OpenAI released InstructGPT, which incorporates RLHF, a method of reinforcement learning based on human feedback. Models trained with the InstructGPT approach, using texts and codes from early 2022 and earlier, are the GPT 3.5 series. ChatGPT conducts relearning based on the GPT 3.5 series using conversation data, in which human AI trainers play both user and AI roles. Through this relearning, a conversational AI service that responds favorably and appropriately to user questions is achieved. ChatGPT can not only respond to user questions, but also perform various tasks, such as proofreading and summarizing sentences, translating, generating sentences, and generating programming codes, and supports, in addition to English, multiple languages including Japanese. However, because it is based on the GPT 3.5 series, which is trained on data from early 2022 and earlier, ChatGPT may not be able to correctly answer questions about the most current information. In recent years, attention has focused on generative AIs, such as ChatGPT, which artificially generates content, such as texts, images, and audio.